Using the internet to teach business English. The internet is a vast resource of information for business English and learners. It can be accessed by anyone and everybody at any time and place, and it is not exclusive to distance learning only. There is a certain ease of delivery in which this information can be accessed, and there is a huge wide range of content which can be accessed, ranging from latest business news to every type of a topic, and it has got unlimited resources as far as information is concerned. Some of the websites on business are free, but others have to be paid for. And some of the search engines are perhaps difficult to access by inexperienced learners, but others are easy to access. And various types of information of businesses can be accessed on these websites of various businesses. Some of these are interactive sites which are available, and other type of websites give have got sections of which give news about the company's facts. These can easily be adapted for teaching for the business English learners. You can see here in this screen image that this website gives information about a lot of businesses and various company information. Specific company information is of more interest to the business English learner, basically because perhaps they are working in that company, or they aspire to work in that particular company. Also, they are more interested in news about their own company or news about their competitors' company or their partners' company. So there are few business companies which have got their websites which literally run into thousands of pages, and perhaps they're not as easy to access and only professionals can access them. But basically, they can provide authentic materials which can be used for teaching purposes. Specific company information perhaps can be accessed by in-company teachers who have got partial or full access to the company's intranet. If this is so, then the teacher can access authentic materials of the company and adapt them to use for teaching business English to the learners and to develop activities based upon them. So the authentic materials which are available to the teacher if he or she has got access to the company's intranet are previous reports which have been written, the in-house journals which have been published, company policy documents are available on the company's intranet, projects information is also available. So this information can be used to develop activities for business English teaching. Also, by downloading speeches to examine the important issues which were raised on those speeches can be used as teaching activities. Then reading press releases to find out what was included and what was omitted in them, and so on. The company history can be used by the teacher. Students can read it and report back to the class. Then a departmental organizational chart can be downloaded, and possible updates can be discussed. Product information can be used to teach. Comparing health and safety and employment regulations from one department with those of an overseas department can be compared and contrasted. So the company intranet is an important source of authentic materials for teaching. Also, the internet can be used to download the news about businesses. Broadcasters like CNN and BBC can be accessed by almost anybody. They offer a wide variety of authentic materials in audio and video and in the form of written texts. So the traditional media can be used as an important source for teaching about company news. News of stocks, companies, and supports can also be used for teaching, and it can be exploited for teaching purposes. For example, the teacher can ask the students to download articles on the same topic from different websites and compare different treatments of the same issue, read news items, listen to reports from different parts of the world, and compare the accents of people, access the archives and find out more about a particular area or topic, and so on. So the potential of using the internet is vast. It can be used as a source for teaching general business information to the learners, using that information for teaching purposes and developing activities, and also using a specific company information in order to teach business English to the learners.